Here's a short video on how to calibrate the Aqua Master Tools S300 Pro pH meter. We are now going to calibrate the pH. Turn the meter on by pressing the on-off button. Remove the cap by loosening the sealing ring slightly. Rinse the electrode in distilled water and dry it. Then place the electrode in the pH 7.00 buffer solution. Make sure it is 25 degrees and always use fresh liquid. Stir it gently and wait for the value to stabilize. Press and hold the temp call key for 5 seconds until pH 7.00 is shown in the display. The meter automatically recognizes the pH 7.00 buffer solution and calibrates itself. When the meter switches back to normal mode, then the calibration is complete. Rinse the electrode in distilled water and dry it. Place the electrode in the pH 4.01 buffer solution. Stir gently and wait for the value to stabilize. Press and hold the temp call key for 5 seconds until pH 4.00 is shown in the display. The meter automatically recognizes the pH 4.01 buffer solution and calibrates itself. When the meter switches to normal mode, then the calibration is complete. Rinse the electrode in distilled water and dry it. Place the electrode back in the pH 7.00 buffer solution. This makes it possible to check whether the meter is properly calibrated. The meter shows the correct value of pH 7.0. Repeat the same process with the pH 4.01 buffer solution. Rinse the electrodes with clean tap water and dry it. Replace the cap and tighten the sealing ring. Then turn the meter off by pressing the on-off button.